Hello friends, welcome to the code generator. I am Kritika Shah and today we will learn to write a code or program to calculate a factorial of a given number in Java. So what do you mean by this term factorial? Basically factorial means the factorial of a value or a number is the product of all the numbers from n in decreasing order up to 1. For example, 5 factorial is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, which is equals to 120. So 5 factorial will be equal to 120. This 5 and exclamation sign is meant that 5 factorial. Okay. So yeah, today we'll see two approaches to find factorial of a number. The first one is using loop and the second using recursion. So now let's code the first approach, that is using loop. So yeah, I have created a class named factorial and we have imported the scanner package for taking user input. So now let's declare the scanner object. Okay, now let's declare integer n that will represent the number, that is up to which factorial value we have to find of which number. Now let's print a statement that enter n, that is the enter value of n, and now take the user input. Okay, so now we'll declare another variable, that is fact, which will be initialized by 1. Fact will be the value of the calculated factorial. So now using loop, let's create a for loop with I is equals to 1 up till I is less than equal to the number n. In this loop, we will update the value of factorial, that is the variable fact, which will be equal to the previous value of factorial into I. And at last, we will just print the value, that is factorial of n is fact. Now let's run the code. It might take a few seconds to run the code. Yeah, so here we have to enter the value of n. We enter as 5, which is, so yeah, we have got the answer as 120. Now let's write the code for recursion. So for recursion, I'll create a function named in the class itself. I'll create the function as static so that I don't need an object to call that function, and the return type will be int because I have to return the calculated factorial value. So return type will be int, and let me name the function as fact n, that is factorial of n. Now if the value of n is equals to 0, we will return 1. Okay, as we know, and you should keep this in mind that the factorial of 0 is always 1, else we will return the same function again, like n into the fact, sorry, I have just written here fsc, so fact n with n minus 1 as its argument. Okay, so here and in the main, I'll just call the power function. So fact will be equal to fact of n with argument as n. Now let's rerun this code. Let me again enter the value of 5. So yeah, here again using the recursion approach, we have got the factorial of 5. Let me take another input. Some easy, say 3. Yeah, 6, because 3 into 2 into 1, which will be equals to 6. So here we come to the end of our tutorial. Thank you for watching. And if you have any questions, you can put them in the comment section. Also, do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.